Well, the snowstorm is here, and we have this winter storm warning already in effect from the National Weather Service. It started at noon today and will continue all the way until around 6 o'clock tomorrow. Here, the entire state line is in this area, and what kind of impacts are we looking at this? Treacherous roadways will be impacting us all throughout this evening and heading into earlier parts of Sunday. Heavy, wet snow totaling up to near 6 inches or even above in some spots, and then light snow will be accumulating as we go on into Sunday morning and even later into Sunday. So that's the big idea. Here is that low pressure system that is bringing us this opportunity for the snowstorm that we're dealing with this weekend. You can see just how expansive it is, bringing rainfall to parts of Missouri and even parts of Illinois, and even stretching down into the southern states as well. A little bit closer to the state line, you can see that snow line that's starting to pop up, and even some small portions of this that is starting to indicate some even freezing rain or even a wintry mix in the bunch as we go on into this system. Now, a little closer look to home, you can see a lot more blue starting to pop up on the map. Some darker areas indicating some very heavy snowfall starting to come down in parts of the state line as we start to see some of that pink kind of work its way out as temperatures begin to warm up ever so slightly. Here are current road conditions that we've looked at when it comes to this. Mostly all these roads are showing some kind of signs of us getting some kind of ice or maybe even snow coverage on them. Look at Lee County at the time being completely covered in ice and snow from the storm that has already taken over. So a very difficult evening to travel. If you do not have to go outside, please do not go outside. Stay indoors and just kind of relax. And visibility already starting to drop as well. Look at that, 5 statute miles there in Rockford and Rochelle and 4 statute miles in Freeport already as this storm continues to move closer to us. So let's look at future track and walk through this together. So you can see we're starting to see more of that pink still showing up on future track, but a lot more blue begins to take over, especially when we get close to that 8 o'clock hour. This is where we're going to start to see that heavy snowfall continue to pop up. And notice you start to see a lot of dark blue compared to the lighter blues just a little bit further to the south. Those will make their way closer to us as we get closer into the morning time on Sunday and continue all the way into the evening. So this is around 10 o'clock on Sunday morning, still showing you light snowfall taking over the state line, not getting out of here even when we get closer to that evening. This is 9 o'clock by Sunday, so a fairly busy time over the next 24 hours is to be expected. So here are the highlights of what we're looking at. So from now until around this time, we're going to be seeing that freezing rain kind of sticking around. Then everything becomes snow, very heavy snow at times, so definitely watch it. Light snow and flurries in some slick spots as we head into parts of Sunday. And so our snowfall forecast shows you about 5 to 7 inches here in the state line, 7 to 9 just a little bit further to our east. And you can even see on our 7-day forecast, we'll continue to see that sunshine kind of take over by Monday and Tuesday, with the snow on Sunday, another chance on Thursday, and a most accurate 10-day forecast. It looks like we're going to try to pick up more chances for showers, but let's enjoy the chances that we have for sunshine popping up next week. Lauren?
Thanks, Tommy. Still coming.